Best alternatives for Veo 3 free and paid. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the best Veo 3 alternatives, both free and paid. From hyper-realistic text to video like you guys see in Veo 3 to stunning visuals and redefined art. We're going to cover it all in these alternatives. So let's get started. Now, starting off, the first tool or platform that I have in comparison to Veo 3, and these are just some examples of my creations on Veo 3, is Sora AI. Now, what exactly is Sora AI? Sora AI is by OpenAI, a direct competitor to Veo 3, and perhaps its most polished rival. Sora turns simple text prompts into stunning cinematic videos. We're talking dynamic camera movements, emotional storytelling, and near photorealistic visuals. And there's a catch. It's still limited in access and geared towards high-end creators, researchers, and studios. So if you want Hollywood-level visuals from a simple prompt, then Sora is unmatched when it comes to alternatives from Veo 3. But you will need to join a waitlist, or you have the ability to get started with $20 every month. That's their basic subscription. However, if you do want to make full use of the Sora Video Creator, I do recommend ChatGPT Pro for $200 a month. I know that can be pretty expensive, but for the quality that you get with Sora, that is going to be the price you have to pay. Now, moving on to alternative number 2. This is China's emerging powerhouse in AI video generation, and this is Kling AI. Kling AI has been one of my favorites. Developed by Kuaishou, Kling has taken the internet by a storm with its Veo-like realism and superior motion handling. So what are the strongest features when it comes to Kling AI? Well, first off is real-world physics. I'll show you guys one of the videos I have created, and this is a video I created by replacing the character. So the original video was a video with a very realistic character, and then I asked it to replace it with an unrealistic character, but it still was able to execute it very thoroughly, and it was able to show you guys, I'll just show you guys, can see that in this video, even the earrings are moving as my character is walking towards the camera. So these real-world physics are really amazing. Not only that, they have human gestures that actually feel very natural. And I'll show you guys another example of Kling AI, which is this. You guys can see this was actually just a still image, and it created this eye swatch or eyeshadow swatch by its own, and it's hyper realistic. It's truly something you would not be able to detect has been created from AI. Now, this tool has stunned creators with sequences that could easily be mistaken for real footage, and it is one of the most popular and affordable alternatives that are present and that are comparable to Veo 3. I definitely do think when it comes to affordability and a balance between affordability and creativity, Kling AI definitely is taking the cake. Moving on, we have our next alternative, which is Pika Labs. Now, if realism isn't your goal and you're looking for something stylized, trendy, and fun, you will love Pika Labs. Pika lets you create animations in anime-style clips, fantasy environments, and stylized character scenes with just a text prompt. It also offers voice syncing and dialogue animation, which makes it perfect for creators making shorts or music videos. And guess what? The free version gives you solid results. No GPU, no downloads, just pure creativity in the cloud. Not only that, they even have their application version, which can help you in using this platform on the go. So if you are trying to add a little bit of flair, then Pika Labs is going to be an amazing option. Now, next up on our list is something a bit more practical, and that is Runway Gen 3 Alpha. Just released, and it's more powerful than ever. Runway has been a favorite for content creators thanks to its seamless text-to-video and video-to-video features. With Gen 3, you have a few elevations. This is already a really popular tool, but with the few elevations that have been added, you have better consistency, smoother subject motions, fewer distortions, and built-in editing tools. So whether you are an indie filmmaker or a brand strategist, Runway is a professional-grade platform with a user-friendly interface. Plus, you can animate images, remix clips, apply cinematic effects all from one dashboard without having to use any other third-party alternative for video editing. Next up, you have the Luma Dream Machine, which is a bit different. Now, a recent launch that has been gaining a lot of momentum fast, and that is Luma AI. Luma AI specializes in realism, especially when it comes to depth, lighting, and natural movement. You guys can see even in some of their example videos that they have created, which are hyper realistic, and even the textures that you see, the realism in the hair and the scales of a snake. This is very, very nice, and you will see that these types of textures are not very easy to replicate in AI. Dream Machine is still in beta, but it already shows promise with action-packed sequences, clean scene generation, and very little distortion. And here's the kicker, it's completely free, at least for now. Currently, if you go into Dream Machine within Luma AI, you will see you have a few different options. You have the ability to modify videos with Ray 2, but you can just click on Try Now over here to proceed with Dream Machine by Luma AI, and you can get started. So for creators who want to experiment with a high-speed video generation tool, Dream Machine is a dream come true. Now, the next platform on our list is completely different. This is Kyber. So what exactly is Kyber? This is less about realism and it's more about visual storytelling, music visualization, and dreamlike transitions. Used by artists and musicians, including Linkin Park, Kyber lets you create single images into audio files and into a surreal motion clip. It's ideal for music videos, looping visuals, and artistic shot. If you're a creator with a vibe, a vision, or a mood, Kyber can help you in bringing it to life. So when you click on Create a Video, you are able to generate videos in the standard way, a flipbook video, motion video, and you can pick one of the pre-existing styles or video models and proceed. Now, moving on into our second last alternative for today's video, we have HeyJen. Now, if you are looking to make a talking head video without being on camera, say hello to HeyJen, a powerful AI tool that's shaking up business content spaces. With HeyJen, you can create professional videos using AI presenters that speak multiple languages, lip sync accurately, and can be customized to look like you or your brand. This is perfect for course creators, corporate training, and marketing explainers. And think of it as an AI studio in your browser. Record once, and then you can translate globally. This is especially helpful if you're expanding your business internationally. Now, going on to our last alternative for today, we have Synthesia. So, what is Synthesia? This is another leading AI platform for video narration, used by big brands for onboarding tutorials and product walkthroughs. What makes Synthesia unique? Well, they have some amazing human-like avatars. They have built-in templates for slides and voice cloning with multilingual support. It's a polished and reliable choice for enterprise-level content. It's not as creative as Pika or Runway, but you are going to have incredibly effective communication as a professional or as a business. So to recap, I would say that Sora is best for cinematic storytelling, whereas Kling AI is best for emotion and realism. If you take a look at Runway, then this is going to be the best for creative storytelling and editing. Luma AI is more so experimental, and for talking head videos and corporate explainers, you can definitely be opting for HeyJen or Synthesia. So it truly does depend on what your use case is and whether or not VO3 is going to be the best tool for you. So is VO3 truly the best tool? Well, I wouldn't say so. Depends on what you're doing. It is an amazing tool, but it's not the only one. If you're a marketer, educator, indie creator, there's already an alternative within this list for you. So I hope you guys found today's video helpful, and which one of these AI tools will you be trying instead of VO3? Drop your favorite in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews.